Hello dear friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and another video about Squarespace. Today's video, I show you how to create a cool menu folder drop-down effect, that highlights the folder navigation items on hover, and changes their color in Squarespace 7.1 website. You'll learn some creative codes, that you can use to change the look of your drop-down folder menu in your Squarespace. There is more than one way to code a site, this is just my version. CSS changes the look of a site but not the way it works. This code won't break your site, and if you don't like the look of it, just delete it and everything will go back to normal. So, check this video step by step until the end. Okay, let's start this video. Okay, let's just edit on mobile view. Click mobile view. We can edit on first table pricing. Select all content. Drag and drop price name to top image. Then, drag and drop value and button to shape. Adjust width and height. Do the same thing on the name and price tag. Next, we can edit on second table price. Select all content. Drag and drop to the top. Adjust position of name and tag price in image. In the shape content, adjust position of value and button. Don't forget to adjust the height of shape. And lastly, we can edit on third table price. Select all content. Drag and drop to the top. Adjust position of name and tag price in image. In the shape content, adjust position of value and button. Don't forget to adjust the height of shape. And we can resize height of content. Okay, here is the display of mobile view. We go back to desktop view. Here I will add some of block. Add new shape. Select on center price list. Adjust the width and height. Click move backward. Edit shape. Change color to gold. Add border radius to 20. Then, add shadow. Adjust angle, distance, and blur as you wish. Next, we can add block text. Write with some interest text. As an example, I'm write best value. Edit style, justify, and color. Don't forget to edit on mobile view. First, adjust the width and height. In second and third price list, drag and drop to the top. Select best value shape, to move backward. Adjust height of content. Click Save to saving all the change. In the next step, you can learn how to add hover on shapes, buttons, or anything in the price table. Click Exit. You can go to Design section. Select Custom CSS. Next, you must install Google Chrome extension to find Squarespace ID. Click Extension button to find Block ID. Click Shape ID. Paste in Custom CSS. Add hover text beside Block ID. We can try to add opacity on shape. Here is the result of hover opacity. Add color to blue in background color. Next, add scale on shape. The shape can be bigger to 20%. You can try as you wish. And we can add the transition of hover. We can make it slower or faster. In the next form of price list, we can do the same. Also, you can add hover on button, image, and anything in price list. You can do the same step to add hover. Your CSS code on description below. Yes, we managed to make hover on price list using CSS code. You can customize as you wish. Give your creativity to make it more beautiful. Okay my friend, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get more information about Blogger. See you on next video.